And August the 7th, 2026. August 7th, 2026, and there's a bird in my backyard. Yeah, the bird's been nibbling on the grass for a while. Yeah, it's been nibbling on the grass, I think, having a snack. But there's the bird in my backyard there, beside my solar-powered frog. And also there's the other solar-powered light down there that I have. That's a Maggie light. We'll keep the video going on the bird here for a little bit. And there's the bird again over there. There's a bird behind the tree. There's a bird behind the tree in my yard. It was on the ground earlier. I'm not sure what it's doing behind the tree. I think it's nibbling at the tree or something. And it's behind the fence now on the other side there.